Good morning, students. Today we discuss here next topic, which is sperm. Before sperm, we already telling you that how sperm is formed. So again we revise it. How sperm is formed? Sperm is formed from the germ cells. Germ cells, which is present in the seminiferous tubule. So these germ cells form the sperm. Which process? Spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis. Okay. So sperm is formed from the germ cell through the spermatogenesis. Now we discuss here sperm, about the sperm. So sperm is the male gamete. What is male gamete? Which is produced in the testis. Which is produced in the testis. Which is produced in testis. Okay, and its lifespan after ejaculation 24 to 24 hours, and its lifespan in female genital organ in vagina 24 to 48 hours. Okay, understand here is a it can alive in a male genital organ up to 3 to 4 months. This genital organ is called the epididymis is the part of the male reproductive organ. This is a coiled cell structure. Now we discuss the structure of the sperm. Okay, structure of sperm. Okay, look, there's the diagram. This is the structure of sperm. This structure of the sperm consists mainly 4 parts: head, neck, middle piece and tail. Head is the anterior part of the sperm, and it consists one big nucleus and one inverted U-shaped structure is called acrosome. This acrosome consists an enzyme called hyaluronidase enzyme, which help in dissolve of membrane of ovum during the fertilization. Just back part of the head is called neck. Neck consists 2 centriole, anterior and posterior centriole. Anterior centriole help in zygotic cleavage, and posterior centriole help in formation of axial filament of sperm. Okay, so and just back part of the neck, which is thick and broader region, this is called the middle piece. This middle piece consists many mitochondria which provide energy for the movement, and just back part of the middle piece, which is more longer than the head and middle piece, which help in locomotion. Okay, so this is the structure of the sperm. Now next is the semen. Semen is the white viscous fluid. Semen is the white viscous fluid which is secreted through the penis. during the sexual excitement. Semen is the white viscous fluid from secreted through the penis during the sexual excitement. This fluid consists okay. This fluid consists seminal fluid and sperm. One nut. This fluid is per ejaculation near about 3 to 5 ml. In a per ejaculation, 3 to 5 ml semen release through the penis. In one, this semen consists. If we talk about the composition of the semen, so semen consists seminal fluid. Composition: seminal fluid plus sperm. In this composition of the semen, 90% seminal fluid and 10% sperm. In 90% seminal fluid consists 70% seminal fluid secrete from the seminal vesicle and 20% fluid included which is secreted through the Cowper's gland and prostate gland, and 10% are the sperm. And these numbers are per ml. In 1 ml of the sperm, in 1 ml of the semen, 1 ml of the semen consists 20 to 400 million sperm. 20 to 400 million sperm per ml. 20 to 400 million sperm consist in 1 ml of the semen. And if this quantity is less than 20 million, if the number of sperm less than 20 million, that type of person is called the sterile. Sterile means the person which cannot able to produce young ones. Okay, so now sperm counting, the number of sperm, one is more here, sperm count, the number of sperm per ml, per ml semen is called the sperm count. Okay, if the number of less produced in the human beings, if the number of sperm produced in a less amount, that type of disease is called the oligospermia. Oligospermia. If the number of sperm produced in a less amount, so this disease is called the oligospermia. If the sperm are not produced, so that disease is called the azoospermia. Okay, so this topic is completed today. Okay.